With only a few hours remaining until the official launch of the Samsung S24 series, technophiles have already been treated with live images and renders of the devices. Unboxing images and videos showcasing the S24 Ultra in titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow finishes have surfaced. Noteworthy is the S24 Ultra's flat design on both the front and rear, adorned with a camera ring featuring the same color accent and a sturdy titanium frame. The color options for the S24 Ultra include titanium black, titanium yellow, violet, and gray. Its specifications boast a 6.8-inch display, a 120Hz refresh rate, the formidable Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, a 200-megapixel main camera, 12 GB of RAM, and a robust 5,000 mAh battery, complemented by One UI 6.1. A key highlight is the integration of Galaxy AI, which is expected to play an important role in the S24 lineup. Galaxy AI promises a range of features, such as image object expansion, high-quality zoom shots, and live translation during calls. The S24 series also incorporates a 1.9 times larger heat dissipation system for enhanced cooling performance. The S24 and S24 Plus offer display sizes of 6.2 inches and 6.7 inches respectively, with the S24 Plus boasting Quad HD Plus resolution. Recent reports suggest that the base vanilla S24 will support an Exynos chipset in certain regions like India, Indonesia, and Europe. So, what are your thoughts on these leaked videos? Are they real or just some random concept by some people? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you soon in the next one.